In this video, you will learn top 3 Forex trading rules every beginner must follow in order to become successful as a Forex trader. Number 1, manage your risk. Never risk more than 1 or 2% of your account as a single trade. In every minds of every trader, they always want to make money. One wants to make money in this market. Managing risk is one of the most important things you must put into consideration. No matter how effective, how glorious that market is, no matter how juicy the market is, understanding perfect key levels, understanding proper risk management is one of your weapons of becoming a profitable trader. Because the goal of the profitable trader is not to make money immediately. The goal of a profitable trader is to make money consistently over a long period of time. Because without proper risk management, a lot of traders will make money initially, but they will not make money over a long period of time. Making money consistently over a long period of time. Making money consistently over a long period of time requires you to manage your risk effectively and never risk more than 1 or 2% of your account on a single trade if you are a beginner or average trader. But if you are just starting out, even 0.5% of your account, which is 0. half of a percent of account is what you need. Manage your risk properly. Rule number 2, stick to a trading plan. Always have a plan and follow it. Plan your trade, trade your plan. Trade your plan, plan your trade. If you stick to a trading plan, this is one of the tools that is not popular in these days. Don't just go to market without planning. What is your risk management? What is your stop loss? What is your entry? When are you leaving the market? Why are you entering the market? If market do not go your way, what are your reactions? How will you handle losses? How many losing streak do you want to take if market do not go your way before you close your trade per day? Sticking to a trading plan will help you, and you must write all these things in your journal. That is why I usually say always have a trading journal, always have a plan and follow it. Because if you follow it, that is when you understand. Making the mistakes in the market is not the problem. Making right mistakes that you can learn from it is where the real skills comes in. But if you are irrational and you don't have a plan and you are just trading, you are just clicking buying and sell, you are not learning anything. It means that you are like a gambler because trade entering a market, trading without a plan means you are gambling. It's like you are going from the North Pole to South Pole without having a proper plan at hand. How are you going to get there? What is your plan? So proper plan will help you to understand to survive losing streak, especially losing streak. There are days that losing streak is inevitable in the life of a profitable trader. Without proper plan, you can blow up your account. Stick to your trading plan. Always plan a trade. Always have a plan and follow it. If you are thinking of entering market, just once or twice a day. Once the market do not go your way, or even when you take profit and everything seems juicy, exit the market and let market go. Don't come back again because market is still going, you want to move it. You can lose the entire money. Stick to your plan. Always have a plan and follow it. Rule number 3, be patient and avoid overtrading. Patience is the key. Don't trade, don't trade just to trade. What does it mean? Don't trade because you feel like it. Trade because market is ready for you to enter. Don't trade because you are feeling like. That is why I usually tell my young traders, you must have a job before trading. If you don't have a job, please don't trade. Go and get a job first. Go and get a job. You need a job, not trading. Because trading is a very, very brutal market. And you are competing with highly experienced trader. So without proper patience, you are going to lose your money. So be patient and avoid overtrading. Overtrading has killed a lot of traders. A lot of traders have missed out in the market space. If you really want to give yourself chances of becoming profitable over a long period of time, you have to be patient. Everything in life takes time. If you are in losing streak or you don't know what you are doing because you are still figuring out how to be a profitable trader, give yourself time. Be patient and avoid overtrading. If you are feeling like your impulse are rising, drop the keypad, delete the app on your phone and go and do something else. Patience is the key. Don't just trade to trade. Don't trade because you feel like it or because somebody dropped one signal somewhere. If you miss a trade, don't follow it. Don't pursue any trade. Be patient and avoid overtrading. Let market come to you. When markets come to you, you can make a lot of money. You will make a lot of money with a peace of mind. Even when market comes to you and you lose the trade, you will know that you do exactly what you are supposed to do, but market is not ready yet. But if you are impatient and you are overtrading, you will learn. And once you are not learning, market will keep beating you over and over and over until you learn it or you quit. And I want you to be successful. That's my goal for you. I want you to be extremely successful, to become better, to improve, to understand what market is doing, and make your decision by yourself. Because if you can understand what market is doing, it gives you the ability to know what is happening. By following these three rules, you will be on the right path to trading success. Trading is a journey. Trading is not an 100-meter dash, it's a marathon. Is a marathon. And if it's a marathon, it means that you cannot rush it. You have to give yourself time. Once you are learning to manage your risk, stick to a trading plan, and be patient and avoid overtrading, then success is just give it time. Success is inevitable. You will look back in 2 years, 3 years down the line, and you'll be happy that you give yourself time. You'll be happy that you actually follow the due process. You'll be happy that you actually do what it takes to become successful. If you like this video, want to learn more, subscribe for my weekly Forex tips and strategies. Drop your comment below, share, on your notification, subscribe, and follow me till I come your way again. Be safe.